The modern vehicle is too complex, too expensive, and engineered for obsolescence. But what if a new electric truck rejected that paradigm entirely? We're looking at the 2027 Slate Truck EV, the highly anticipated Jeff Bezos-backed entry that promises a new path. A supremely simple, high-value, and utterly customizable pickup. This is the ultimate blank slate for drivers who value core build quality and long-term value over frivolous tech. Slate's core philosophy is to go smaller and cheaper, removing complexity that increases costs and detracts from the user experience. The truck arrives in one ultra-basic configuration. Think steel wheels, cloth seats, and yes, crank windows. Forget the confusing touchscreens. Ergonomics are stripped down to simple, physical controls, prioritizing focus on the road and long-term durability over digital headaches. This deliberate minimalism is what allows the price to target an accessible $20,000 to $30,000 range. The build itself is revolutionary. The truck is constructed on the unique Slateboard architecture, combining a truck frame with a car-like unibody, and features durable, molded-in-color gray plastic body panels designed to resist dents and wear. This isn't a premium luxury cruiser, but a robust, straightforward tool built for the long haul. With an honest 1,433-pound payload capacity and a practical 5-foot bed, this small EV is ready to work. The lack of features in the base model is a feature in itself. Slate's true genius lies in its vast accessory ecosystem, which enables unlimited personalization. Owners choose their vehicle's final form, not the factory. Need more range for long-range comfort? The standard 52.7 kilowatt-hour battery offers an estimated 150 miles, but an optional 84.3 kilowatt-hour pack extends the range to a more capable 240 miles. Need a back seat? A full, flat-pack SUV conversion kit, complete with a roll cage and airbags, is on the menu, transforming the 2-seat pickup into a 5-seater. From custom wraps and interior tech upgrades to a suspension lift, almost everything is customizable. Critically, Slate will open source its designs, meaning accessories won't just come from the automaker, but from a whole community of creators. A huge boost to long-term owner engagement and potential part supply. Power comes from a single rear electric motor producing 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, charging via the increasingly standard NACS port. While an all-wheel drive option is still a key demand, the current RWD setup and its simplicity is central to Slate's cost strategy. For the discerning buyer, a core question remains: how will this unique approach affect ownership costs? Slate's focus on simple engineering and accessible, open-sourced parts is a unique advantage. In a market where high-tech features can quickly become dated and expensive to repair, the truck's minimalist design suggests a lower total cost of ownership over its lifetime. While traditional depreciation models favor complexity, the Slate truck's foundational simplicity and customizable nature could make it a highly desirable used vehicle for second and third owners looking for an affordable, modifiable EV. It's designed to be easily repaired and upgraded by the owner or third-party shops, mitigating the typical dealership-only expense cycle. Slate is explicitly targeting business operators, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone seeking the cheapest, simplest new vehicle, believing this multifaceted appeal will help anchor its value long-term. The estimated on-sale date is 2027 or 2028. The Slate truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement against over-engineering. It's a return to the basic, durable workhorse, now electric and infinitely adaptable. If you value straightforward engineering, long-term comfort, and a vehicle you can truly make your own, the Slate truck deserves your attention. What accessory would you add first to your blank slate? Head to the comments and let us know. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of high-value electric vehicles.